Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Codecademy application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Codecademy and click on Search. Scroll down a little bit until you find Codecademy Go. It is named as Codecademy Go on your iOS device. After that, click on Get button, or you can also click on Download button if you are using Android device. You may need to verify using a Face ID, fingerprint or a password if it is your first time downloading it. After the verification is completed, your download will be started. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, you can click on Open button and use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap and open to use your application. So that is how you can download Codecademy in your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.